Hello everybody and welcome back to Rainbow Brush. This is Brian, of course, and today we are going to draw Aquaman. That's right, we're going to draw Aquaman, and I have a few trivia questions for you today, but unlike the other videos, today I am going to actually give you the answers post-haste. So, as we do this drawing, I'm going to give you some facts, and I'm going to tell you the answers right away, so you don't have to wait for them. So, as you know, Aquaman is one of the coolest superheroes. Why, you may ask? Because he has superpowers that are amazing. He has the ability to go underwater and swim like a fish. He can communicate with all sea creatures and command them to do his will. He's also pretty much as strong as Superman and has a really cool weapon. We'll get into that here. Let's start off with the face. I think the coolest thing about Aquaman in this drawing is going to be his hair. A lot of spaghetti noodles. It looks really cool. I like it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Before we start all of this, I always want you guys to know, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you can get all these cool videos and draw along with me. All right, let's get down to the gritty, the nitty gritty. Fact number one, I got this from IamSuperhero.com. Just so you guys know, I'm not affiliated with them at all. Did you know that Aquaman was raised by dolphins? It's true. Born to Atlantis, the evil wizard and Atlanta, the queen of Atlantis, young Aquaman was born with blonde hair. This was considered inauspicious in Atlantean culture, causing him to be left for dead on a reef in the open. Oh my gosh. So, who's gonna come by and save him? Of course, dolphins. They're gonna raise him. Until one day he met Arthur Curry, a lighthouse keeper who taught him how to be more human-like. And guess what? Now he can stand on all fours, and he doesn't make dolphin sounds. All right. Did you know that he doesn't talk to fishes? It's not true. He doesn't. He actually telecommunicates. I don't know if that's the right word. So basically, he has telepathy. He talks to them in their minds, and he has the ability to also control them. That's right. You see a shark like Jaws going through the water. He could take a hold of their mind and make them attack you. Which, come to think of it, maybe that's how Jaws came to be. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine? The Jaws movie actually was caused by Aquaman? I don't know. I don't think that's true. Don't worry about it. Did you know that Aquaman's wife was an assassin? I know. It's crazy, but it's true. So he fell in love with Mara. After meeting her for the first time, she held a secret for years. She was a queen of another dimension, of course, and she was sent to assassinate Aquaman, but fell in love with him because who wouldn't? Look at him. He's amazing. He's got all these cool superpowers and spaghetti hair, and of course that's why we're drawing him, is because he's awesome. Did you know that Aquaman had a half-brother? Well, Aquaman's father was an evil wizard. With that, Aquaman has a half-brother, Orm, who is also the ocean master. Knowing that he is a great threat to his power, Orm wanted to get rid of him. Although Orm has a trident, just like Aquaman, he will be in pain from either using it or being separated from it. Oh, that's a horrible super weapon. Of course, he's very jealous of Aquaman, but, I mean, who wouldn't be? Did you know that Aquaman once lost a hand? That's right. When he was king of Atlantis, he was constantly fighting with enemies and villains as well. As mentioned previously, his own half-brother was jealous of him and turned him into a supervillain. When Aquaman found out, he spiraled into depression. His sidekick, Aqualad, of course, wanted to cheer him up by bringing them to an investigation. Turns out it was only a trap. He wanted to kill Aquaman in a pool full of piranhas. However, he missed and fell into the pool instead. Well, Aquaman only lost his hand to the piranhas. Later, He replaced his missing hand with a hook. How crazy is that? He replaced his hand with a hook. I'm starting to think that all fairy tales and stuff, you know, are made by Aquaman. Think about it. Hook? Captain Hook? Just saying. I don't know. Could be Aquaman. So anyways, we've trivia'd our way through this entire video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was something a little bit different. Thank you so much for watching. I hope your Aquaman looks perfect. I want you guys to know that. Now, all you need to do is color in Aquaman. You can use any colors you want. You can use any background you want. In the background, I would put Jaws, because he's controlling him. But that's up to you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Once again, you are watching Rainbow Brush with Brian. I will see you on the next video.